Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Eightcap to MT5 in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your Eightcap application, or you can also access it via your web browser. So when you log in into your Eightcap account, you need to get your MT5 login credentials from the settings. From there, you need to first of all copy the server. After that, you need to launch your MT5 application. Then tap on the option of add new account. After that, it will ask you to find the broker or to select the server. So here in the search bar, you need to add the exact same server which you have copied from your 8cap accounts dashboard. When you are able to find the right server over here in this list, you need to simply tap on it. Now it will ask you to provide your login ID and your password. So these two details you are also going to get from your 8cap accounts dashboard. So you need to copy the server first, then you need to provide the login ID and the password from there. After that, simply tap on the option of login. This way you will be able to log in, or this way you will be able to connect your 8cap account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.